This video will demonstrate 5-axis milling with SWOOD CAM. In a previous video, we looked at creating a 3-axis milling operation on this part, and this was the simulation. We can easily toggle between 3 and 5-axis milling. When we set it to 5-axis, we can set the maximum angle the machining head can take. This is 5-axis milling with SWOOD CAM. Here's another example of 5-axis machining. In this case, where the tool follows along an edge, we'll mill this surface. The operation is called 5-axis edge follow. The toolpath is controlled with these icons in the upper left. As you select the different options, the image below that updates and provides values for things like the approach distance and the disengage distance. The preview below that updates as well. I use a tangent toolpath. The height defaults to 0 because we picked an edge. I'll set it to 45 millimeters. And the depth of cut to 10. Here's the simulation.